Hey crypto heroes! Today we've got some huge news about one of the most famous wallets in the crypto space, Rainbow Wallet. They've officially announced an airdrop and a point system. And you know what that means? It is time to pay attention. I'm talking about a wallet that's actually solid. This is not one of those other trash wallets with no proper backers or real utility. Rainbow Wallet is different. For those who don't know, Rainbow is a super popular open source wallet that was originally built for the Ethereum ecosystem. But listen, it's grown up. It is EVM compatible and now supports a ton of different chains. We're talking Base, Arbitrum, Polygon, BNB, and more. The good news, Rainbow Wallet is seriously well backed. They've raised nearly $20 million in funding from major players in the space, like Reddit co-founder Alexis Ohanian's venture firm 776. That's kind of capital, and that level of backing shows this is a legit long-term project that cares about the protection and security of your assets. Now for the timeline everyone cares about, the TGE or the listing. Guys, the official word is that their token launch is scheduled for Q4 of this year, 2025. That means we have about 3 months, the end of the year, before these things goes live and those points potentially turn into real tokens. First things, you need to get to the official site and download the wallet. But to participate, you're going to want that referral link. I've dropped my link right down in the description below, so click on that first. When you click the link, you'll see 2 options, the browser extension and the mobile app. If you already have a wallet like MetaMask or another EVM wallet, you can import it using your existing seed phrase or private key. Rainbow is even giving out extra bonus points if you are a long-time MetaMask user who switches over. If you are brand new to this, go ahead and create a new wallet, and after that writing down the seeds on paper. Here you can create a password for it. The cool thing is you can access your wallet with this shortcut key. Alright, you've got the wallet installed. Whether it is the app or the extension, now let's make sure you start stacking points immediately, because every point counts towards that Q4 airdrop. Find the airdrop section, look for the dedicated points or airdrop section right in your Rainbow wallet. You should see an option that says use referral code. Click that and enter this code right here. Entering this will give you an instant extra boost to your starting points. After that, head back to that same section and click on get started. The wallet will need your authorization to track your activity. It just needs you to sign up a free transaction to connect your wallet to the points program. Now you're officially registered. Everything you do in the wallet is earning points. Right on your screen, you'll see your total points counter. That's what you need to focus on growing every day. Now, where do you track all this goodness? Just tap right here on this little section. That is your point status. This is basically your personal progress bar. Guys, it is a way to figure out where you need to step up your game. The absolute main activity you should be hammering every single day is swapping and bridging. Head over to the swap section. Try to do at least one small swap or one bridge transaction every single day. Seriously, it is the key to multiplying these points. This is how you show you are an active user, not just someone waiting for a free handout. And finally, for a little extra motivation, you have to check the leaderboard, find your wallet on that list, and see how far you have climbed to get into the big leagues. Your goal right now is simple: improve that rank every single week. That is how you maximize your final share of the airdrop. So, last word is goodbyes, heroes!